Hi, I'm Max, and I invented the original Triple Bristle, and I wanted to express my gratitude to you for joining the Triple Bristle family, joining the Triple Bristle Brush Club. I really am confident that it's going to improve your smile, improve your self-confidence, make your gums healthier, and I just wanted to give you a heads up that when you receive it and start using it, it's nothing like your old toothbrush. It's a completely different way of brushing, but it's actually a better, easier way of brushing because it makes brushing automatic. As you glide your toothbrush along your gums, all the work is done for you and you'll get a perfect brushing. You may zing your tooth with the plastic a little bit. It may be a little bit awkward at first. Your gums may bleed a little bit, but that all goes away if you stick with it. And what you will end up finding is that it's a better, easier way to brush. Now, I hope that this gives you the confidence to smile big and enjoy your life. And I look forward to hearing from you. Anytime you want to shoot us an email and let us know how your cleaning went, what your dentist thought, we love to hear from people. It's the reason that we got into it. It's the reason we're so pumped every day to kind of keep going and introducing new products and making oral health better and better for more and more people. Thanks so much. Have a great day.